Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Jen. I'm an esthetician. This is my skincare beauty YouTube channel where I talk about a lot of different types of things in the cosmetics industry. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to find me on other social media, all of that will be linked below. So I figured I'd do like a PR unboxing today just because I got like a couple packages, 3 actually today, that I was like, two packages, one from L'Oreal, one from Biossance, and one from Le Saint. Let's start with this L'Oreal box. This is by L'Oreal Dermatological Brands. So L'Oreal is the umbrella company for all these I'm about to mention. Oh, this is so cute. First of all, look at the packaging. This is like the Costco version of this cleanser. Oh my goodness, it's huge. This is the new Cerave cream to foam cleanser. I'm excited to try this. I will use an oil cleanser first and then I'll follow with this, and this is only going to be at night that I will use this. It has amino acids, it's fragrance free, it's non-drying, they say it's MVE delivery technology, which is controlled release for all day hydration, and then removes dirt, oil, and makeup. So this does say it removes the makeup, so I might try it as just like my only cleanser. But like I said, this is new for Cerave. And then this is the La Roche SPF. This SPF is infamous. It is like one of the first products that blew La Roche up. In my opinion, their sunscreen really put La Roche on the map, because this was probably almost 10 years ago now that like I discovered their sunscreen. I think the first time I discovered it was like people in Europe were using it. And where are they based? Like I don't know where they originated, but when I lived in Greece in 2008, I swear to God, they had this sunscreen that I saw there. And then when I came back to the States and was at CVS and stuff, I'm like, oh my God, this is the Greek brand I saw. And then like that was the first time I had seen La Roche, and that was also when I first got into sunscreen, was back in like 2010, 11, 12, something around there. And I started buying La Roche, and this is literally the only SPF I would buy. And then like once I started my, blogging and skincare and everything, I started experimenting with different products, but this has always been like one I can comfortably recommend to pretty much anyone. It's matte, it's fragrance free, it's SPF. I've only tried the 60 actually, but they have a 50 that I used, and it was like they have like a tinted and a regular, and it's like a classic, Okay, next, this Vichy. These are those ampules, they've been like all over social media. So this comes with 10 ampules, and let's open it, shall we? So ampules are, ooh, I just love how this looks, I would use one ampule and this would last me like several days. I don't know if they instruct you to use one ampule all at once, but for me, I would probably try and not even try, but I don't think you need this much for one application. So you'd probably use one application every like few days. Use one ampule like every 3 days or 4 days or so, but I'm gonna see how long these stretch. And it's glass, so you just break the top off and then apply this on top, so you can get like an easy application in your hands and then press it on your skin. But vitamin C, because it's so unstable, even though we've studied the vitamin C ingredient, L-ascorbic acid, the issue is actually it's very beneficial to the skin, we can prove that, but the issue is the manufacturer being able to create a formula that actually goes into the skin and goes into the skin cells, So like, yeah, you can put L-ascorbic in something, but like what if it's not formulated properly? Then it's unstable, it's not going to work. So that's why vitamin C and ampules, like Clinique's done this, I've seen other companies do this, and I've never tried anything like this, and I'm super excited too, because it's like the freshest, most potent and pure vitamin C. And this also has peptides in it as well. It has 10% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. So your skin should look plump as a baby's bottom after you use this. We'll see. Okay, next product is, they sent me these Dermablend Concealers. Dermablend has those like Dermablend drops that you you're supposed to add to your moisturizer or whatever. And yeah, I tried them and I didn't like those, but the concealer I heard was very good, and I'm excited to try this. So Dermablend, they're carried at Ulta, but let's see, this concealer, wow. This is first of all a big concealer like package. Why can't I open it? Why can't I open it? Like, am I high? They sent me 2 colors, luckily, because one of the colors they sent me was warm, the other color they sent me was neutral, but both are like a little bit dark, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna make it work. So this is the concealer. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, oh my god, it's so nice. Ooh, it's really the wrong color as fuck, but the way it's blending out, oh my goodness. It's flawless. It definitely blurs every single line. Can you see this? Like every single line it blurs. Definitely need to take a photo of this. Let's see if the warm undertone is supposed to be a little bit lighter. Let's see. Okay. This is the warm undertone one. Ooh, that's a little better. That's a little more. Okay. So anyways, yeah, this concealer looks bomb. Definitely excited to try that. And then last product here from L'Oreal is the Triple Lipid Cream from Skinceuticals. This is like, obviously it's expensive. It's Skinceuticals, but I did hear it was amazing. Yes, it contains fragrance. What's my angel doing? But I did hear that this was like a holy grail for some people. This is how it's packaged. It's in frosted glass. It's obviously bougie as fuck. Let's open this. Ooh. Oh my god. It's definitely fragrant, but it doesn't smell horrible. Ooh, wow. That smells like a spa. It's like a combination of like lavender and citrus. Definitely would rather not have fragrance, you know, but anyways, this is really nice. Really nice. I just massaged it into my hand where my concealer was and it blended out like beautifully. Wow, that concealer is really nice. I'm excited to try that. But the cream is actually not super thick, which I didn't know what to expect. But let's see if you can see. You see where the concealer is? It just literally with this moisturizer, it's like butter, bitch. It just blends out flawlessly, airbrushed and everything. So I'm excited to try this. Even though this is something I would typically use, this Skinceuticals Triple Lipid Restore, this is something I would use normally at night because you would think it would be really thick, but it's actually kind of like a thinner, thin enough consistency where you may be able to use it during the day as well. So yeah, so I'm excited about that. All right, let's see. Now this is from Bioscience. Okay, Bioscience, which a lot of you guys have been asking me to review Bioscience, and I've been waiting for this package for a while. Bioscience. All right, so I'm just unboxing. Looks like they sent me almost their whole line. Squalane Omega Repair Cream. This is a moisturizer, and actually I did have a sample of this from a while ago, but it was so small, like I couldn't really get like a good idea of their products. And so they say this is dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, maybe because you can use it around your eyes. I don't know. By the way, do I look like shit? Sorry. I mean, I don't know. I literally just woke up like this and like drove home. I was up north and I'm like working and I get all these packages and I'm like, okay, let me just film this real quick. Anyways, Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. Water. Squalane is the second ingredient. Lots of emollients up top. We have shea butter, hyaluronic acid. They have ceramides in here. Linoleic acid, which I love. And yeah, okay. And then Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. So this is probably something you'd use more so during the day, but also Squalane right at the top. Glycerin right at the top. Dimethicone. I think this formula sounds very similar to my beloved Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Oh my god, my dog is not normal. Do you see his nose? Do you see his nose? Hyaluronic acid, blah, 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 blah. Lactic acid, probably as a preservative. Okay. So this is a lighter gel texture moisturizer, I'm assuming. Squalane and Peptide Eye Gel. So what is the claims in here? Let's see. They say it's gonna reduce puffiness. That's the name of my dog. It's gonna reduce puffiness, Puffy. It's gonna reduce puffiness and dark circles. Well, let's see. What in here would do that? Do they have caffeine? Yes, they have caffeine in here, which is amazing. They also have niacinamide, which is super brightening around the eye. Squalane, aloe right at the top. All of these right at the top. Panthenol, apple extract. Lots of different extracts. It looks really bomb. Lycopene, which is like tomato, super brightening. Next we have, ooh, oh my God, a sunscreen. I didn't know they made a sunscreen. I was just thinking, I have barely gotten any sunscreens in PR. This is Broad Spectrum 30 Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. That means mineral. I prefer using mineral just for, you know, the sake of paranoia. I like recommending mineral sunscreens too, but mineral sunscreens are sometimes not good for all skin tones, so it's difficult. And also mineral sunscreens sometimes cake up on the skin and leave a white cast. But this one says it's sheer, so I'm really excited to try that. And then we have, ooh, oh my God, one of my friends said that this works amazing on her and like for resurfacing for pore size and everything. So I've been wanting to try it. It has 10% vegan lactic acid and exfoliates overnight. But the only issue is I think this has, yeah, this has lavender oil and linalool in it. And those are both fragrances, and I just hate mixing lactic acid with fragrance. It's just, ugh, why would you like put, what does Kim Kardashian say? Why would you put a fucking bumper sticker on a Bentley? Why? We don't need fragrance, honey. Okay, what else? 100% squalane oil. I actually love squalane oil, side note, because it's a 0 on the comedogenic scale. A lot of people's skin takes well to squalane. It doesn't clog pores. It doesn't irritate for the most part. And their packaging is interesting. So is this a cleansing oil or just, okay, this is just squalane oil that you can use on your face, body, whatever. So this is their packaging. You open it and then you go like this. That's kind of dope, huh? It's super cute. Is this glass? No, this is plastic, which I can appreciate because it's still recyclable and it's like more economical. What else is in here? Okay, they gave me a squalane and marine algae eye cream. And I think this is the last product. This is vitamin C. They're vitamin C products. Vitamin C and rose oil. And this, it says it's for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Massage a few drops onto cleansed skin morning and night. It says it's a luxurious facial oil with rose oil, which is unnecessary, and vitamin C. This product, you know, this doesn't have many ingredients, but the ingredients it does have is like fragrance. It has squalane is the main ingredient, and then it has rose damascena and geraniol and citronellal. How do you ever say that? However you say that. And so I think their vitamin C is the tetrahexadecyl ascorbate. I probably botched that, but it's the second ingredient. So it's not L-ascorbic acid, which I'm not like, I don't really care. Sometimes L-ascorbic acid, like I told you, is really unstable. So I like experimenting with different forms of vitamin C. You guys know I love sodium ascorbyl phosphate. And so this is another type of vitamin C. I'll definitely try it, but we don't need fragrance in our life. Okay, La Sainte is this company right here that I don't really know much about them, but they were featured in Poosh. And they design, it's kind of like a vintner's daughter vibe. They design like very high-end natural products. I think this is their main product. This is an oil called the Radiant Glow Marula Facial Oil. And I think it's like $150 for this 1 ounce. And it's in a black glass bottle, which is really nice. Their packaging is really nice, just very simple. And when they contacted me, I was like, you know, I don't do like essential oils and anything like that. But they're like, we just want to send you the product. Just try it. Trust me, blah, blah, blah. So it is 94% marula oil, and it also has some sunflower oil, it has black currant, it has watermelon seed oil, pomegranate seed oil, neroli, rose, chia, matrishkia, whatever, frankincense, lavender, bisabolol, rosemary, sunflower seed. Okay. So it has a lot of different essential oils and oils in it. You guys know I don't do essential oils and stuff, but they're like, just try it. So yeah, it says it's 100% natural, wild harvested, non-toxic, sustainably sourced, and cruelty-free. Put a little bit on my hand like 2 minutes ago, and you can see it's completely gone. It absorbed like 100% flawlessly. So I will definitely be trying this. Oh, it's snowing. How cute. So yes, I'm excited to try all this, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions below, if you want me to go over any of the specific products. Also check my Instagram. I'll probably put like a story on there, and then also like highlight on there. Sometimes I do that with my PR. So make sure you're following me there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.